never worked at anything else. Tomorrow he'll be 40. An engineer is what he is. For him I'll go the limit. So try and beat me if you can. His engine's never timid. My man's a jolly railroad man. His engine's number 11. If you want a better man, you'll have to go to heaven. For anything he undertakes is always on the square. The only thing he asks of you, be sure and pay your fare. His hand upon the throttle stick, his head out the cab. He gave that hack, the old gun girls, the brake rods nearly dry. He gazed upon his fireman, and soon he starts to mourn. He'll tell you, boys, you all think then of dear old home sweet home. My man's a jolly railroad man. His engine's number 11. If you want a better man, you'll have to go to heaven. For anything he undertakes is always on the square. The only thing he asks of you, be sure and pay your fare. The telegraph poles as he rode by looks like teeth in a comb. The engine sways on all 8 wheels, red hot around the dome. O'er hill and dale we roll with speed by streams like White Street ribbon. A pair of wings is all we need to take off into heaven. My man's a jolly railroad man. His engine's number 11. If you want